Hi Year 6. Now, our DT unit that we're doing at the moment is obviously our food and nutrition unit. Now, this week we were supposed to be doing our bake-off tasks and making our afternoon tea products for the Queen. Obviously, that's going to be a little bit harder at home. So if you are able to and you have adult permission and supervision, then please have a go at baking our lemon drizzle slices that we were supposed to be making. However, I understand that that might not be easy for everybody. So your task for today is to think back to the discussion that we had last week in DT about keeping safe and healthy when working with food or when cooking or baking. I would like you to design your own poster to inform everybody else about how to stay safe and clean and healthy when handling and working with food. There is a PowerPoint below this video link on the website, which will talk you through some of the things that we have talked about and give you some more ideas. I look forward to seeing your finished posters. Bye.